I get a lot of questions about my workflow. I use Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop to do all of my editing and processing. Now, a lot of people say editing when they mean processing, but these are two distinctly different parts of post-production that are both needed to take your photos from the camera and out into the world at large. Editing is selecting and organizing images, choosing which ones you want to make adjustments to and publish. Processing is making the adjustments to the photos, changing color, exposure, contrast, etc. Editing is just as much a part of post-production as processing, and Lightroom lets me do both all in one app. Affinity just doesn't have a comparable app that lets me work quickly and efficiently through both editing and processing. Using Lightroom and Photoshop together in Adobe Creative Cloud Pro gets me through post-production quickly so I can get back out into the world and making new photos. In this video, I'll show you my workflow for editing and processing all within Creative Cloud Pro, starting in Lightroom and ending in Photoshop. When I get back from a photo shoot, the first thing I do is create the folders where I'm going to store everything. This is the basic setup I use. It keeps all links intact within Lightroom catalog if I move where the job is stored. So first, I create the job folder, which I use the client name. And then within that, there's a folder called Originals, and that's where I store all of my raw files. Then I back up the job folder to an archive drive at my office and to cloud storage. Next, I create the Lightroom catalog. It lives within the job folder. And here's how you import. You'll go to the library module you can see at the top. The whole editing process happens here. I start by importing all of my photos. Now I begin the editing process. Working within the library module, here are some important quick keys. G is for the grid view. It gives you an overview. It looks like a contact sheet. E is for loop. This is an enlarged view within the library. It lets me see one image at a time, and this is the view that I use while I'm editing photos. To start, I do a first pass. I just begin at the top and arrow through. I keep clicking on the arrow and flag anything that looks good at all. Flag is the tilde key. You can press it again to unflag. I don't analyze similar photos at this point in the process. I'm just clicking and selecting any images that look good at a glance. I'll narrow it down further later on. This is how fast I go. I try not to linger on any one image, but sometimes I really do love a photo and will have to pause to admire it. I can usually go through about 1,000 photos in an hour. Adobe now has an assisted culling option, which uses AI to help select your best photos. If you've used it, let me know what you think in the comments. Affinity doesn't offer this sort of editing. With Affinity, I'd need to either browse photos in my Finder, which is extremely slow and clunky, or opt for another company's culling app entirely. Next, I'll do a second pass through my images, looking more closely at similar photos to choose the best ones. In Lightroom, I can quickly and easily compare two photos side by side. To me, the process in Affinity is much more difficult. Lightroom also lets me create custom collections so I can sort images by different categories or parameters and easily find them later. After this second pass, I now have my selects. When I'm ready to process, I simply go to my selects collection and begin working through them in-app. Processing in Lightroom is quick and easy. Lightroom raw processing is much more intuitive to me, with similar adjustments all grouped together. Also, auto settings can be a good jumping off point in Lightroom. Affinity doesn't offer that option in their raw developing. For my selects, my processing primarily involves applying color and tone adjustments, cropping if needed, and applying masks, which, by the way, is a premium AI feature in Affinity, meaning for similar capabilities to Creative Cloud Pro, Affinity is not a free app after all. Another way I save time processing in Lightroom is with the sync feature. This lets me apply the same adjustments to multiple images with just a few quick clicks. Affinity requires batch processing, which is a longer and more elaborate process. With the way I work, that's the bulk of the adjustments that I make to images, so the majority of my processing is done in Lightroom. But when I need to do more fine detail, I'll choose Edit in Photoshop to move the images seamlessly into the app to do things like retouching or compositing. In Photoshop, you can also use features like generative AI and harmonize. That's it. Now I export my images and send them to the client. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment with any questions you have, and I'll be sure to answer them. If you have any requests for future videos like this, please let me know. Try Adobe Creative Cloud Pro today to do your editing and processing all in one place.